Alright, look at this one. That a cool rusty old one. It's a Ford. Look at that. Look, it's got a little rat in it. A rat rod. It's got the horn up there. You have to poop it. Look at that. Oh, with the old Coca-Cola. Look at that. Windshield. Alright. Look at that. Nice street rod. Oh, look at that. Neato. Yeah, good old handles there. Alright. See, they made sure they shine that right up, huh? Put a grill on that. What a beauty, huh? Split windshield. Alright. Hope you've enjoyed my bringing that to you. Be sure to sub me. Join me as a friend. We'll bring you some more street rods and whatever else we want. Bye-bye now.